Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to link columns on monday.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to go and do is go on the monday.com official website. Now you'll be greeted with a screen like this. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile guys, or go and register if you already do not have a profile. Now, let's see what you actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we can see that we have the home screen and my work, and also the boards here. In the top right corner, we can see that we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and link columns on monday.com. It is pretty simple guys, and you just need to go and follow these few steps. Basically, if you can, let's see firstly if you can link groups in monday.com, you can reference one item to another item with the connect board column. You cannot reference groups. Groups are just a text label that bundle together a bunch of times. So you can only go and click on the, as you can see, the columns. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.